Hello U4, Mr O'Toole here from Ascot Road Community School. Today's learning objective is we are going to be writing mathematical statements and learning their inverse partners. So what we're going to do first is we're going to do a little start activity. We're going to learn or do our 6 times table going all the way up to 72, and then once we get 72 we're going to go back down all the way down to 6. So we can do a different exercise. We can do star jumps, bunny hops, marching, whatever you feel comfortable with. Okay, I'm going to do some marching, so we're going to count in 6s together all the way up to 72. So when you're ready, off we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 72. Right, now we're going to go back down. I'm going to try something a little bit different now. Instead of marching, I'm going to do some bouncing. Okay, some bunny hops from 72 all the way down 6 using our 6s. So off we go. 72, 66, 60, 54, 48, 42, 36, 30, 24, 18, 12 and 6. Perfect, well done. So now we are going to get into our main. So this game is called If This Is The Answer. So what you need to do is you need to make a set of number cards from 1 to 9. What you're then going to do is you're going to pick one card. So we are going to pick the number 4. Once you pick the number 4, you're going to pick another card to turn it into a 2-digit number. So we are going to pick the number 7. So we have 47. What we need to do now is we need to turn into a number sentence, okay, that gives you the answer but are the inverse to each other. So for example, we could do 37 plus 10 equals 47, and now we could do the inverse. So we could do 47 minus 10 equals 37. What I want you to do though, we're going to do some exercise. I want you to split that down, so we've got 4 and 7. I want you to do an exercise 4 of something and an exercise 7 of something. Okay, so I'm going to show you how. The numbers I got were 4 and 7 to make 47. So I want you to do an exercise 4 times and I want you to do an exercise 7 times. Okay, so what we're going to do with the 4 times is we are going to jump in the air with our hands up like that. Okay, just a little bit different with the 4, and then with the 7 what I'm going to do is we're going to do some hula twists. So make sure you're watching. So we're going to do 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to do 7 hula twists. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, nice and easy. You can choose your own exercise. All right, so if you come back with me, I'll show you. So once you've done that, we're going to move on. I want you to do this for about 15 minutes to see how many sums you can come up with. All right, so if we just did this again, we've got the number 1 and the number 3. So we've got 1 and 3. So 13. Okay, I'm going to just split that there, so you remember you've got to do 1 of something and 3 of something. So we could do, let's say for example, 9 plus 4 equals 13. Okay, then we do the inverse. So we could do 13 minus 9 equals 4. There you go. And then you'd have to do an exercise of 1 of something and then 3 of something. Like I said, if you can do as many as you can. Okay, good luck.